everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. Coming to you from BC, and I have an unboxing for today. So it was a missing item from Florida, and I'm so glad to get it. I was really worried that it would never come. Apparently it was stuck in customs, so they finally released it. I don't know why it was stuck in customs. It's just, it's a Disney item, so I don't know. Maybe they don't understand what some of these items are, and maybe the wording. Maybe they thought it was something else. But I'm really super glad to get it. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox. Alright, it says, handle with care, fragile, thank you. Alright, so let's go ahead and get my blade. And I have one more unboxing for this week. And I did have some interest in my explaining a little bit more about my Fendi monsters. So I'll be doing a pretty involved video on that. So if you like Fendi monsters, or even if you don't, if you're just interested in learning about what they are, when they started, how much they cost, $1 million, you know, all that fun stuff. So make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be giving away a lounge fly. And you know what that means, lounge flies are pretty cool. So make sure you subscribe and like my videos. Tell a friend. Alright, we're in. It's got the famous bag. Woo! Disney Parks. Yoo-hoo! We love this bag. I know, we are so crazy. I'm saying we because there's a lot of people. I'm not just the only one. Alright, so I got a limited edition item. And this matches my wristlet and my crossbody. I'm still really upset because I missed out on the satchel, and I cannot get that bag. So if you know anybody that has the 2020 Haunted Mansion satchel that they'd like to sell, shoot me out a DM, because I really would appreciate that. Because I'm not paying 3 times the money on eBay, which is totally ridiculous. I want the bag, but I just can't do it. Alright, so it comes in a bag like that. And I'll leave all the information below. And these bags actually, for your Dooneys or any other bags, they make good dust covers. So definitely save them. And if you have any Dooneys or any other bag, Disney bags that you want to keep nice, you know, that they don't get all ruined or dirty or anything like that, keep these bags, and you can use them as dust covers if your Dooney does not come with the dust cover. And save you a little bit of money. Alright, this is all packaged really nice, so thank you for doing that. Susanna, Steve, and baby Marie. Got to love them. They're great. Alright, here we go. Dooney and Burke, Haunted Mansion, limited edition. Love the print, 2020. Any guesses? Look, it's even got a magnetic. That is really cool. They're trying to copy Louis. And there's some other companies that have the magnetic boxes too. Wow, this is really cool. All right. So this is the Magic Band from this collection from 2020. They do have a few more, so if you guys are interested in purchasing, definitely check out them, because they do go to the parks, they go to Character Warehouse, they have a $5 pickup fee per item if it's less than $60. If it's more than $60, then it's 10% of your purchases per item. Okay, it's not for the whole, I said that wrong. It's not for all your purchases, it's for one item each. Okay, so that, I know that's a little confusing because some of the personal shoppers just have a flat rate. You can buy as many things as you want and they charge whatever. But they go per item, which is fine. $5, 60 and below, 10% over 60. There we go. I got it right. Okay. So I thought, even though they may be discontinuing the Magic Bands, this matches, like I said, my wristlet and my crossbody. And you can just wear it as a bracelet, and it's from Dooney and Burke. So how cool is that? Wow. This is really nice. This is nicer than I thought. This is my very first Magic Band. I never had one. So I thought, wow, this is pretty cool. And it's limited edition, and it just pops in. If you've never seen one before, like me. And this one has a little clip. And everything is packaged so well. And then when you're wearing your bag, you can wear this with it. And how cool are you? Woo! Love it. Oh, thanks so much. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. I think this goes below here. Oh yeah, see it? It's like a slider. This slides, basically. Okay, but wow, look at that. Cool. All right, so I can wear this with my little collection there. All right, very nice. And the box is, everything is brand new, and it's limited edition 2,500. So you can't beat a deal like that. Alright, so that's the Haunted Mansion Magic Band by Dooney and Burke. Alright. So that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Bye, guys.